What's up, everyone? JD Candy Shop Customs here. So it's minus 19 degrees Celsius. That's about -2 Fahrenheit. We just had, a pretty cold snap. It was minus 38 degrees, so it's like minus 33, I think, something like that Fahrenheit. So pretty damn cold. And when it's that cold, you soon learn lack of heat issues and lack of airflow issues. So just looking at the Volvo here, so I'll flip the camera. And the Volvo is completely up to temperature. I just got home from work and noticing issues with airflow. Like, I have warm, but I don't have a ton of airflow. I don't know if you guys can hear the fan. So I have that blowing on high, but I don't have a lot of air movement. And one thing about a lot of the newer cars is they have a pollen filter. So that on this car is located under the hood. So we're gonna open that up and have a look, because if it's plugged and restricted, it's not gonna move any air through it. So that's where we're gonna start. So on these cars, this one's a 99 Volvo V70, the pollen filter is under this cowl cover over here. So I don't know, somebody's been in here, there's some tape and foam. I've not been in here, even though I should have changed the pollen filter a long time ago, so we'll open it up and see what's underneath. So I'm gonna be a bit of a bad boy. Pollen filter is under here, I can see it. I should take the rest of the cowl off, but with the snow and ice on here, I don't want to break anything and I don't want to wait for it to melt. So there's my pollen filter. And I mean, it's fairly plugged. Right? It's got some snow and ice in there, and here's a good way to actually see how plugged it is. Just drop it on the ground. It's fairly plugged. Seen worse, seen better. So let's go inside with the filter out and turn the blower motor on and see if we get our airflow back. Ding ding. Ugh. Okay. Turn the. Whoop.
Waiting for connection.
Yeah.
Bluetooth is connected.
We're not checking the Bluetooth. So I got it on high. It's not a significant change. It is better, I can feel it now. Well, we'll get a new pollen filter and see if that makes a difference. Well, there you go, a little bit of diagnosis. So since I don't have a new pollen filter with me at the very moment, I did the next best thing. I just cleaned this one out best I can, so that it's not just an open hole in there. I'll stuff that back in and we'll see if it's going to make a difference in our airflow. All right, well, I guess we'll see how that is in the next couple days driving to work. If that doesn't make any noticeable improvement, then I guess what we'll have to do is start checking the heater core fins for restriction. Oh yeah, even that I think is a significant airflow improvement or change. So we'll see how it de-ices the window in the morning.